You don't think I could find those emojis in my fidget collection? Watch this. First up, we have to find a cat. I've got the cutest cat in my squishy drawer. Now we need a hedgehog. I absolutely have a hedgehog in my animal drawer. Yep, here he is. Next is a peach. That one would be one drawer up in my food fidget drawer, and I think I see it right here. Yep, one peach fidget. But do I have a lollipop? Lollipop, lollipop, ooh, lolly, 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 lollipop. And I've got just the fidget to match the purple sparkly fortune teller. Look at this. So perfect. Now we need some blueberries. Got them. A loaf of bread. It didn't have to go very far for that. And lastly, an ice cube. One ice cube fidget coming right up. It's melting in my hand. Challenge complete.